Hello and welcome back to the One-Handed Gardener. It is Rochelle and we are gardening through the window. We are looking at Yahweh's little garden. That's what I call this. And we're going to harvest 2 turnips. 2. As you can see, some are still growing. A lot of leaves were eaten and put in salads, but most were eaten by a slug that got under the cover. It was not totally covered, so they had the time of their life. So I'm going to harvest them now as I get someone to record. You're going to say, how do I know which plant came up? Well, before I put this new earth, this is biogas, I think that's what you call it. So I just put this thing yesterday, and this is very good for plants. So I remembered where they were. This one, so I'm going to slowly bring this from the ground. Isn't these beautiful? And this, unfortunately, this is the biggest one. It's coming, it's coming. Ah, look. And again, these are supposed to be this size. Don't it look beautiful? Look at it. Look at it. I feel so proud. Focus. Right, and just look at the leaves. So this is going to be a great salad. The other one is here, and because this was at the end, the slugs were they were coming up right here and eating. But I still got a little turnip. Coming. Yeah, you see? And this is this size because it was not pushed down enough in the earth, and then the water, so all this happened. But this is time that these were harvesting. But the others, they could get bigger, but these 2 were out of the earth, right at the top. So it was time to think, I feel so proud. So I will get my mother when she cooks and taste them. I don't know if I will try to remember so I can record eating just these 2 turnips and the leaves. These others, we're just going to give them some more time because it's about 3 weeks to go into 3 months. So I'm just giving the bigger ones who were planted with the other 2 some more time to grow, and we will see if we will get some that it will be the same size as the other one, because the watering, the seeds came up to the surface early, and then and my bad, I forgot to put more earth. So even if I do not get in more turnips that's big as the first one, the leaves I will get all the nutrition from the leaves, because you'll be surprised that the leaves are more nutritious than the actual crop. Now my flowers, again, you see they are coming up, that long stalk. I'm trying to focus, it can't. But buds is everywhere. Buds. So they are growing well. So I'm so proud. I got 2 turnips. Yay! We're on to the other planter. And look at my marjoram, and a lot of it has been used in seasoning, and it is, I'm so happy, and it tastes like onion and spicy, and you can boil this for tea, not me though. So since these are growing so good, and yes, it will be used up before it can run, I'm going to plant some more this size, and just have this as the marjoram, sweet marjoram planter pot. So just making some holes, and because again of the drought in Barbados, I had to wet this earth. And my husband is helping me to record. Okay. These are the seeds. These mini seeds. Oh, have a lot of problems with not planting too much. Come out. Cover. And I don't have to wet this because it's wet already, and I don't want to disturb the seeds as happened with the other planter pot. You could see some things were disturbed. There's a little thing growing. I hope you can see it. I don't know what that is, but so these are getting used a lot in cooking. So I can't wait till more grow. 2 weeks ago, I bought these seed trays to start planting a lot of seeds. And yes, I got the tray. This is like with $3 Barbadian, this will be $150 US. So I said this is okay. So there's one, and that one was 60 holes. This one is a 50 hole seed tray. So I bought 2. They were the same price. I don't know why, but they were the same price. So I'm going to have a ton planting seeds, and you are going to join me on another video on that adventure. Again, I am asking for where to go or what to get to store my seeds, because as you can see, these are a lot of holes. That means that I have a lot of seeds. Yes. So I'm waiting to you to put in the comments where I'm supposed to buy a container to have my seeds and to have labels on the container for each seed. If you want to support the channel, my PayPal is in the description and my address is in this description as well. Please like, share, comment, and share what you're seeing. I, with my one hand or half body, you can say, is doing through my window. And the Lord is doing it for me. Thank you, Yahweh. He is doing it for me. Until we meet next time, keep planting.